Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed about some of the major food grain crops of India. In this video we will discuss about major oilseed crops of India. Some of the major oilseed crops of India are groundnut, til, mustard, coconut and castor, etc. First of all we'll discuss about groundnut. Groundnut is the most important among all oilseeds. This crop requires black, fertile, loamy and sandy lava soil which does not retain water. 20 to 25 degree centigrade temperature and 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall is sufficient for this crop. It is a kharif crop but can be grown as jaid crop where irrigation facility is available. It is produced more in Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Gujarat ranks first in India in the production of groundnut. Groundnut is produced in Junagadh, Gir, Somnath, Amreli, Rajkot, Bhavnagar districts of Gujarat. The edible oil made from groundnut is used more in Gujarat. Groundnut is enriched with vitamins and minerals. The next crop that we will discuss about that is sesame or til. This crop is dependent on rain, so it is a kharif crop in North India and is taken as winter crop in South India. It is grown in almost all states but Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh are its leading producers. Gujarat is leading in plantation and the production of sesame in India. Banaskantha district grows maximum sesame in Gujarat. Sesame contains maximum oil among all the oil seeds. India is a country which exports maximum sesame in the world. Sesame or til oil is enriched with medicinal tendency. In Ayurveda medical science, til oil is used in various diseases. It is also enriched with multiple of vitamins and many countries of the world use sesame oil as an edible oil. Next edible oil crop is mustard. It is a rabi crop. It is an important oil seed crop of North India. Mustard seeds and its oil are used as medicine and as an edible oil both. Major states producing mustard oil in India are UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, West Bengal, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Next edible oil crop is coconut. Coastal, saline soil and hot and humid climate are most suitable conditions for coconut. Its maximum comes from Kerala. Besides, coconut orchards are also found in Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and in Andaman and Nicobar. A special type of coconut tree which is shorter and giving high yield is developed. Coconut oil is obtained from the dried up coconut kernel. In South India, it is used as edible oil. Coconut water is used as a healthy drink. Coconut plantation is found in coastal Gujarat. Next edible oil crop is castor. Castor is also known as Divela locally. It is kharif as well as rabi crop. It is produced mainly in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. India is the largest producer of castor. India produces about 64% of the world's production of castor. India stands after China and Brazil in the world production of castor. About 80% of the production of castor in India comes from Gujarat. Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan also produce castor. Castor is produced in Banaskantha, Patan, Sabarkantha, Rajkot, Junagadh and Amreli districts of Gujarat. Dear students, just go through the topic and revise the whole topic as it is very important for your examination point of view. Dear students, in next video we will discuss about hot beverages and cash crops of India. Thank you.